Paul Theron now joins me with his actual glasses and not his emergency glasses. Thank you. I won't forget that. France and Italy could be imposing a ban on short selling tonight. I just checked. Reuters sources have actually confirmed this from the other sources that were cited a little earlier.
I think they should just pass a rule saying you're not allowed to sell anything for the next 6 months.
You're not allowed to short anything.
Yeah, that's out. No selling of anything, only buying.
What kind of impact will this have, would you say?
Well, I don't know. I mean,
we've seen this before, though, in 2008.
In market circles, this is taken as the sign of ultimate weakness. But I mean, you know what the Americans are like. They're all passing judgment on this. Everybody's out there with this, oh, France, you know, cheese-eating socialists, what do we care about them? I mean, the SocGen thing looks quite serious. But really, I mean, the Europeans are really getting us tired now. I think it's
They
just
vehemently denied all rumours, by the way.
That's fantastic. That spokesperson for SocGen, who said we deny all rumours without specifying which rumours they were denying.
It was all over Twitter yesterday, actually. I was laughing.
To be frank, I think SocGen's price has been extremely volatile. But when I listened to the guy a couple of weeks ago, he seemed to be making a good case for how they'd got all of their exposures covered. We know that France doesn't have the same political issues the US does. So I'm really firmly of the view this whole thing's going to blow over. So if you're selling the market because of France, then you really need to be looking at your motivations.
Isn't it a bit of deja vu, because SocGen was also in the spotlight with a rogue trader not too long ago.
That Jerome Kerviel guy.
Just before the market crashed, and then we short selling.
Look, he cost them like 7 billion euros or something, but that's small beer for SocGen, you know.
I know, but it's deja vu almost, because we're seeing sort of the same kind of things happening.
I think the issue here is, are they adequately capitalized for the potential write-downs that they have to bonds of peripheral nations? And if the French are in trouble, how are they going to commit to the central fund, which is supposed to bail everybody out? These are the issues.
Okay, Paul, and lastly, looking forward, are you still ultimately bullish about absolutely everything?
Well, it's just a road.
You must be happy about that.
Terrible roller coaster situation going on. I mean, 4%, 5%. Look, the Wall Street is up like 4.5% again this afternoon.
And how much was it down by yesterday?
The same amount on the day before and the day before. I mean, never before have we experienced this kind of point volatility. To be taking positions now is extremely dangerous. I think hold on to what you got. And if you're not in yet, wait until it calms down.
And of course, you're behind the ban on short selling.
Always got to be buying.